Hello everyone, I'm Leona Chin, Malaysian motorsports athlete, and now I'm at Blastacars, Malaysia at Sungai Wang Plaza, 5th floor to find out what's Blastacars all about. So let's find out. Hello.
Hi Leona.
Hi, this is Mr. John Wang and he's going to tell us more about Blastacars. So what is Blastacars?
Blastacars is a drift kart. It's not a normal go-kart. Blastacars originated from New Zealand about 30 years ago. Yeah, so this is the first and only Blastacars in Asia. Yeah, where you can experience drifting like a real car and have fun without worry about safety.
So how do we register to join in?
Let's come for the registration first. So after this registration is done, you have to go to our briefing video. Okay, safety briefing is compulsory for first timer. Yeah, so it tells you how to drift, how to control the kart, how to brake, how to throttle, okay, and what do's and don'ts. Okay, so this is very important for first time.
So out of curiosity, how much does one kart cost and how much is it to set up this place? Okay,
for Blastacars drift kart, we fully import this from New Zealand. It costs about 60,000 in Malaysia.
Okay.
Yeah, and then to set up this drift track, total we spend, the money we spend, we can actually set up about 5 to 6 go-kart track. Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, anyhow, we didn't charge 5 to 6 times more than a normal go-kart. Yeah, this is a very important thing. So most important, everybody has fun. There's a very unique experience like no others.
Wow, I can't wait to test this out. Okay, so we have all the karts here. What's the difference between this kart and this kart?
Okay, actually we have two types of karts. So one is 270cc engines, the other one is 390cc engines. Yeah, so just now the advanced one is a 270cc engine, 9 horsepower, and we have Pro for the very good players. They need to go through certain levels of tests. Then when they got their license here, so we can let them to try the Pro, which is a 390cc, 14 horsepower engine.
What about the safety features of the karts?
Okay, first of all, you can see, yeah, so this is going to hold you tightly in the seat.
Alright.
Yeah, in case of any bumping happens, yeah, so you won't fall out, okay? And no worries, this kart, it won't topple, it won't flip, because it's super heavy. On the left is your brake, yeah, and the right is your throttle. You see this is a reverse level, so you just need to, it's very easy to do reverse with the kart.
Okay.
Yeah.